Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. Few good things, few bad things. Bad thing, we closing under the 23,150 level, I said, and then we opened another one underneath that. Not great. Starting to form a little bit of bearish divergence opportunity since we are now out of the bullish control zone and under the EMA, opening closing under the 23,150 level, which we need to close above on Friday, or we will look for downside into next week. Well, we might get some of that this week. I want to be perfectly clear. I'm not looking for downside insane. I'm looking for a test of support. 21.8, 21.9. After 21.8, 21.9 is lost on a 4-hour open and close, I'm looking for 21,100. If we lose 21,000, then I'm looking for much lower, like 20K and under, but level by level. So just, if you're too bearish, I'm going to smack you. If you're too bullish, I'm going to smack you. Level by level, until a level gets claimed or broken, I cannot tell you what's going to happen. So to the top side, if we do get our 23,150 back on a 4-hour open close, you should immediately be looking for 24,000. Once you get to 24, the psychological 25K. After that, we already know 26 and 27. Get ready, level by level. Today, you will see things move fast, $1,000 increments probably and more on Bitcoin, and probably 100 or more on Ethereum. So please be ready for those levels to come at you quickly, okay? On the 4-hour time frame. Keep in mind, though, we are on a new month, okay? So this is a fresh month starting. On a 4-hour time frame, we are just consolidating, but we did come off of support. From here, all I want to do is claim this 23,150 for higher. If we can't claim this 23,150 for higher, I'm looking for us to test into 22,7, 22,5. If we can't hold those levels, then obviously we're going to go test into 22 even. If we lose 22, I'm looking for 21,7 and then probably just 21 to 20,000. So level by level, guys, level by level. For the upside, I already told you once we claim this 23,150, we're looking for 24. And then after 24, I'm just looking for just straight shoot to 26 really. 25 is just a hiccup. I think 25.5, 26 is going to be where the next level of resistance will be at. So that's something to be ready for. And then on this stair step pattern up, right? When we come back down, I'm not looking for us to go lower than the 200. If we go lower than the 200, it will officially be a possible head and shoulder dead cat bounce scenario. So just be ready for that, guys. I just wanted you guys to be fully aware. Let's go take a look at Ethereum. Early and I got the sniffles. There you go. Ethereum. So Ethereum, same thing. 1590 was our level. I probably said it like 50 times yesterday. Ethereum is doing already doing what I am looking for Bitcoin to start doing, which is trickling down to test and to support. If we can get above 1590 with a 4-hour open and close, we can look for that 1650. And then after 1650, you can look for 17, which should be butter, and then go right to 18 and 19. Okay. If we do get the downside, I don't want to lose 1550. Losing under 1550, 1540 with a 4-hour open and close, I'm going to have like my breath held for 1520. And if we lose 1520, 1500, that's it. Like I'm just going to be looking straight down to 1430, 1420, and then I'll look for that bounce there. One thing I can say is that the EMAs are showing you a bullish posture that even if we get a quick move down like this, you got a lot of support to the downside, mainly your 21,200 golden cross. And then under that is your 155 EMA cross. So I would use a 55 over the 100. But these are all layers of support. So it would have to be some epic sell pressure to break down all this momentum to the upside. This is, in my opinion, just a pit stop, and you're resetting oscillators on bullish support for continuation to the higher levels that we didn't get originally. So I'm not getting too bearish here until we lose 4-hour open and close under 1500 on this, and I forgot what it was on Bitcoin, but under the 4-hour open and close. Okay, so it's 1500 on Bitcoin and under. Oh, it would be under 20,500 on Bitcoin. So if we lose 20,500 on Bitcoin, I'm looking for downside. If we lose 1,500 on Ethereum, I'm looking for downside. And that's basically all there is. Oops, back to E. You have the targets to the top side, you have the targets to the downside. Now what I want to just do is look at the local chart. I'll give you the 4-hour view. Does it correspond with the daily saying, hey, okay, so we had opportunities to tap the bottom. You've already reset the oscillator on the 4-hour time frame. You're sitting on the 100 EMA support. This should technically just go up. You're going to go test into that 1590. If you claim that 1590 on a 4-hour open and close, then you could be looking for the next high at 1600. If you can claim that with the 4-hour open and close, then look for that 1650 and beyond. Okay, but go like in $50 increments on the 4-hour time scale, because even though you get above 1590 for one 4-hour candle, the next 4-hour candle can just come and sweep liquidity. Another thing is the Fed meeting is at 2 p.m. Eastern, so you have a lot of days still to burn. It can go up into the meeting as people are more confident that the Fed is going to go 0.25 and start reducing interest rate hikes until next meeting or not. A lot of people are saying they're going to take a pause on it due to the fact being close to their goal. Well, we'll wait for the language from Powell at 2:30, and we will all. I probably will be live, and that way we can all listen to it and watch it together. All right. Well, aside from all of these, Bitcoin ETH, you guys know the monthly just closed, and we can take a quick look at the monthly. So coming back to test this cross ain't gonna be a problem. That's 1450. That should be okay. If you touch the downside of it, and then once we claim 1590, I could be like, oh yeah, let's go test into 1850, 1800. Okay, for ETH. That's what we're waiting to see this month's candle of if it's gonna actually, make a move or not above 17 and whatnot. For Bitcoin, same situation. Looking for support confirmation at 20,500, which I said if we look under, it's game over. And 26,600, 27,000 is where our target is for this month. I don't think we're gonna get to the top side just yet. I think we're gonna come back, test support, and then maybe next month get up in there. But February is usually an up month into Valentine's Day, from what I remember. So don't hold it out that we can't get there. I'm just looking for a test of support. It could be quick wick tap and then off to the moon kind of situation. So just be aware of that. Um, Last thing I wanted to show you guys was Dixie, our buddy. So we were at 102.50 yesterday or something like that. And then we just completely lost support. And the monthly just closed. A monthly actually closed decently on support, so I'm not even upset about that. If we lose the 109, then it's like a different thing. Here's your weekly, looking like we're trying to find some support on the 100 EMA. Got these dojis trying to show you potential reversal, but still got a little bit of sell pressure on the top side. Going to the daily, same thing. We had bull div getting rejected here at the area that we wanted to cross. So going sideways here and consolidating is great as long as we don't lose that 101. Yeah, losing 101 is just gonna be uh, a shot to like $100. So it's another dollar drop, and then that is gonna give all of us upside in the market, and then that will also give hopefully that will give us the interest rate at basically going down in increases. This interest rate, if the interest rate is not going up, then why would you use an inflation hedge such as Bitcoin or ETH? I mean, some people will probably flock back to dollar, and that's probably what's going to cause it back to go up. So, um, I'm still, well, actually, even if we go to 102.50, I mean, that's basically resistance. And then right now you already had your death cross, and now you have your other EMAs crossing. So this is getting to the point of it trying to break back up. But yeah, all the pressure is going to the downside as we're going sideways and consolidating. This is literally the opposite of what's going on in the other assets, right? That's why we have an inverse relationship. If you go look at SPY, where is you look at SPY, as this is going down, SPY was just going up. Now, as that's putting in a bottom, looks like SPY is putting in a lower high top. Not ideal for a breakout scenario, but today might be the day that Dixie loses that bottom and SPY's inverse head and shoulder actually breaks to the top. Okay. You already tapped our 407, but I'm looking for that 423.50. That might be coming today or in the next day or two. So let's wait and see. I'll actually share this because there's a few people who are trading these options. I'll share that with members. All right, guys. Well, that's about it for today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave it in the Discord or in the description of this video comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you could, please leave me a like, a subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. I would greatly appreciate that. Feel free to spread the channel to other people who are also like-minded traders. If you are interested in trading with us live, please feel free to join me on my Discord. I am gonna be there a lot today due to the market news, so we can watch it live together and maybe scalp a little bit together. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always ask me there live, and I'll try to get you that answers as quickly as possible. If not me, someone else in our members section will be more than happy to help you out. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope to see you soon. Be careful. Today is a news event day, so don't get too gung ho about getting crazy leverage. Make sure you use your stops because it's gonna be like crazy wicks coming. And yeah, 2:30, the meeting will be starting for Powell's speech. So we will hopefully see you live then. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.